Hello everyone and welcome to the Investing Angles channel. TLT is falling and today's video focus mostly on TLT and bond market. So what is happening right now with bonds and yields, and in the very end we will have a look at the indices, particularly at Nasdaq. Alright, so let's move on. This is 10-year yield. So what we are seeing on this candle chart, that everything is moving up. So if the daily candle closes like this, it will be a bullish continuation candle, and we will move higher, no doubt about this. And at the same time, we have a 2-day frame which is also closing today, and a candle like this will be a confirmation for a move higher. And just to reiterate, let's switch the frame. So this is the 3-day frame which we discussed a couple of weeks ago, highlighting this particular sequence: 3 white soldiers. This was serious and we emphasized it, so whoever followed, probably not regretting it. All right, and this is the 10-day frame. Let me make it bigger. So far it is on track. It is moving higher, and if it continues to grow like this at this speed, so we might have 3 white soldiers on a 10-day frame, which would be significant. This frame is two times bigger than the weekly. And those who followed our call on September 6th, that's this particular one. This is the call, and we have still the elements from this call here on the chart. Someone could enjoy a 30% gain just on the yield. All right, so that's the short-term perspective. Let's have a look at what is happening right now on the long-term perspective. This is the annual chart for 10-year yield. What we are seeing here, I would like to emphasize this particular candle, or this particular arrow, and this particular line. This line is a 100-year moving average. Can you see? It is right now, yield is sitting just 0.05% below this line. In the year 2023 and 2024, this line has been attacked twice. Now it's the third time. Perhaps it can be successful, considering all other technical elements and the agility of the move. This is, I cannot say it's a done deal, well, but it's coming close. All right, so let's move on to TLT itself. This was our call on December 30, and well, when we posted it, we were laughed at, saying, okay, so TLT is forming the bottom, and there is no way, now no other way for TLT but to go higher. Well, we waited for a couple of days, and this is it. So right now we see that TLT surpassed the target, and it is moving lower. Let's have a look at the bigger picture, which we also discussed, and we've been discussing since the beginning, or since the middle of December, when we outlined this path. So this is possible path for wave 1, and this is the flag that we are talking about. This was possibly wave 2. Now, what is happening? There is a chance that this is wave 4 being developed, because what we are seeing right now, a couple of strong technical signals which would support this hypothesis. Well, we will see. So far, we are not seeing any signal about potential reversal of TLT at this moment, and it is approaching our minimum target of 85 to 79 before it can potentially reverse. But we will see. This is right now, this is our prime path, this green one. Let's have a look at the TLT candles. So far it is well, desperately bearish, and what we said yesterday in our previous video, that this was a 3-day frame which closed yesterday, and I'm talking about this particular candle, and it was a strong bearish continuation candle, and well, the expectations were to move lower, and this is what's happening right now. So if the daily frame, this one, and the 2-day frame close with this candle, well, there is no chance but to go down. And just to reemphasize this weekly or this monthly frame, which we discussed in our annual review on January 1st. And by the way, it is highly recommended for those who are watching this video series for the first time. It is highly recommended to review the annual video on January 1st. It discusses a lot about big frames and about the perspectives on the longer terms. All right, so that's the candle map for this one. And now in our usual presentation, we are having a look at the other yields, what they're doing, and what are the perspectives here. So far, we are seeing like they are working in a unison, and this is all green candles here. If they 2, 5, 10, 20, and 30-year yields close like this, well, it will be a continued move upward. Well, that's all about TLT and yields, and let's have a look at what is happening right now with major indices. So this is a futures map, and this is what we are seeing. So first of all, start with Nasdaq. Yesterday, closer to midnight, we issued an emergency video saying that Nasdaq is fairly close to a point of no return, and we identified this level as a must not cross level. Please watch this video. I don't want to reiterate all the details here because it's quite a few of them to consider. All right, so to tell a story short, if Nasdaq crosses this line, it breaks all potential Elliott wave formations to make an impulse, and the chances for a continued move lower are fairly high. And well, what we are seeing, this is an hourly frame closure for Dow Jones and for Russell. So if they close like this, this is an imminent move down. And if we look at this interesting chart, so these are ES futures for SP500. So what we are seeing here, it's a clear, very clear impulsive wave down. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right now, this is the first impulse down, and most likely the end of the day, or the remainder of the day, will be something like this. So it is gonna be. It is likely going to be a zigzag or something for wave 2 before we can see another move down. Well, whether it happen today or tomorrow, right now it's difficult to say. It might take some time. All right, but this is the perspective for tomorrow. Quick one, and well, another emphasis here. Nasdaq broke a major impulsive structure. All right, so that's been all for TLT bonds yields, and a quick overview of the market. If you like this, say so, and support us with your subscription. Please make sure that you subscribe so you're always at the forefront of what is happening. Like for example, yesterday's video was critically important, and if you were a subscriber, you would be able to see it firsthand. And check our website for investingangles.com. Right now we are offering a free reader subscription for select articles and charts, so you would be able to read them free of charge. But if you decide to become a more involved in this, in our methods, in our techniques, well, a subscription is required. All right, so that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching, and happy trading, everyone.